Hi yogis, thank you for joining me today. Today we're balancing our chakras and we're giving ourselves a mini boost that is very much required in these winter cold months. So let's get into it and let's just shake up this positive energy and start the day with just really great, feeling wonderful. So first we're gonna tune in with our mantras, and if you're new here, just go along and you will get there eventually. Breathe in, hands to prayer mudra. Straighten your back. Breathe in to chant. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Adgure Name, Jugadgure Name, Sadgure Name, Sri Gurudeve Name. Adgure Name, Jugadgure Name, Sadgure Name, Sri Gurudeve Name. Adgure Name, Jugadgure Name, Sadgure Name, Sri Gurudeve Name. Breathe in. Squeeze your move. Hold your breath. And breathe out. Fine. We're gonna start with Sufi grind. Breathing in and out. Deep breaths here. Hold your navel slightly inwards. Very good. Working with the 3 lower chakras here. And to the other side. Breathe in and breathe out. Move with shoulders as well to really get that deep, deep stretch. And breathe in. Squeeze your mubang. This means your anus and sex finger. Push this energy up. And breathe out. And we're gonna straight move to the spinal plexus now. So come to the front and back, front and back. And breathe in and out, in and out, in and out. Really giving our spine a beautiful chance to open up and release any tension if there is any. Usually there is. And just allow that energy to start moving upwards. Deep breaths here. And come to the center. And breathe out. Very good. Now, hands coming to the sides. Hands are on the 90 degrees. We are holding our index fingers and thumbs in the Jian Mudra. And we're rotating the upper body to the left. Breathe in and right. Breathe out. Eyes are rolled up to the third eye. And we are working with our Anahata chakra here. Very good. Now come to the center, breathe in. And relax. Hands down the Jian Mudra. And just feel these energies expanding in your body. Witness this process. Very good. Now we're moving on to the throat chakra here, and we're placing our hands on the hips here. And we are pushing with the hands, we're pushing downwards as the shoulders come up. We breathe in and out, in and out, in and out. And also this is a fast movement. We are releasing all of the tensions from the upper back, from the shoulders, also from the neck. And this is very good for our Vishuddha, for speaking our truth and being our truth, embodying it, releasing all the fear of judgment, and any fear of speaking our truth and showing the real feelings, how we truly feel. This is a powerful releasing exercise here, so give it your best efforts. Breathe in, shoulders come up, squeeze your anus and sex organs, push this energy up, and relax, hands down to Jian Mudra. And just witness what is happening in your body. Very good. We're moving on. And we're moving on into the third eye, into the Ajna chakra here. We're placing the hands, underlocking them, and we're placing them overhead. And we're going to close our eyes and we're going to do a breath of fire here. Ajna chakra is our intuition, our inner knowing and wisdom. So this is very, very good to being open and to know what is right for us, to know when situations, energies or people may be wrong or if their intentions aren't pure with us. So focus your energy here on the third eye. And do a powerful breath of fire. And if you can speed it up. Breathe in, squeeze your mobang, push this energy all the way up to the crown of the head and relax. Hands come down to Jian Mudra. Deep breaths here. And you can start to feel this clarity And these high vibrations, we have risen our energy quite a lot. I hope you feel this expansion, this lightness. Just let it be. You don't need to analyze anything. Just let your body do the work for you. You just allow it to happen. Very good. And lastly, we are expanding this energy even further out to the auric field through our crown chakra. So hands are going to be like this in the thumbs. Thumbs are up and we're doing a V shape and eyes are closed, and we're doing another breath of fire here. So very powerful. We are locking ourselves into our higher selves, into the higher power, higher knowledge, higher love, higher vibrations, higher everything, higher life. So lock yourself in and just expand your energy. Merge one with your highest self here. And again, if you feel strong today, you can go even faster in the breath. Now breathe in, hands are gonna touch on this, on upwards here, and place your fingers outwards. Breathe in, squeeze your mubang. Feel this energy rise all the way to the fingertips. And breathe out, hands come down through the auric field and ground here. And just feel and witness your beautiful energy. Your whole body has been awakened now. Your whole chakra system has been balanced and activated. Breathe deeply here. And I feel absolutely amazing, and I hope you feel the same. I hope you are charging with this super energy. Very good. Bring your hands to the prayer mudra. We're gonna tune out Satnam. Truth is my name. Breathe in. Satnam. Thank you so much. I really feel that this is such a beautiful kriya. I feel absolutely energized, happy and amazing. And whenever you're feeling low, just practice this. And I feel like with each day, this can be different. Sometimes we may be stuck more in the lower chakras and something can break open and loosen there. Sometimes we may be stuck in throat chakra or somewhere where we don't even know, but working with the whole body, we're just releasing everything that needs to be released and that we are ready to release that day. So just keep that in mind, and I wish you have a beautiful and happy day. Bye.